Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs. Welcome to Ikinari Steak, Akihabara, Tokyo branch. Ikinari Steak is a popular Japanese steakhouse known for its high-quality steaks served quickly and affordably, often enjoyed in a casual standing dining environment. Concept and dining style. Ikinari Steak, which translates to sudden steak, offers a unique dining experience that focuses primarily on steak without the frills of appetizers or extensive menus. The restaurant is designed for efficiency, allowing customers to enjoy high-quality steak in a fast food style setting. Diners can choose the weight of their steak, making it suitable for both hearty appetites and lighter meals. Please like, share, and subscribe. Menu offerings. The menu at Ikinari Steak is straightforward, featuring various cuts of beef, including sirloin and filet. Customers order their steak by weight, and the cooking process is quick with steaks grilled on large iron plates in the restaurant. While the focus is on steak, optional sides like rice and salad are available. Please do watch our other Tokyo, Japan playlist. Dining experience. Originally, Ikinari Steak was a standing-only restaurant promoting a quick dining experience. However, many locations now offer seating to accommodate families and children. The atmosphere is casual, and diners often enjoy their meals with a selection of sauces and dressings available at their tables. Please do watch our other food crawl series. Popularity and expansion. Ikinari Steak has gained significant popularity in Japan, with over 250 locations nationwide and plans for further expansion. The restaurant's innovative approach to steak dining has made it a favorite among both locals and tourists, contributing to a rise in steak consumption in the country. Customer reviews. Many customers praise Ikinari Steak for its value for money, noting the quality of the steaks and the overall dining experience. While some reviews mention the strong smell of grilled meat, the friendly service and quick turnaround time are often highlighted as positive aspects of the restaurant. In summary, Ikinari Steak offers a unique and efficient way to enjoy high-quality steak in Japan, making it a must-visit for steak lovers and those looking for a quick yet satisfying meal. Have you been to Tokyo, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below.
Thank you.
Ikinari Steak was born from a revolutionary idea. What if we could eat premium steak standing up, quickly, without sacrificing quality? A total disruption of the steakhouse industry. Founder Kunio Ichinos wanted to democratize luxury, exceptional meat at accessible prices through operational efficiency of standing service. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.